Defining elevation data is much easier with a digital terrain model in the background. The software can use contours as the terrain model. In a future release, you will be able to use gridded LiDAR data as a terrain model. Going to backgrounds in the selection tree, note that I have contours displayed. Moving the mouse cursor across the map, note the numbers displayed in the bottom right-hand corner of the status bar. Putting the mouse cursor anywhere on the map will display the easting and northing of the cursor position. Placing the cursor in a part of the map where there are well-defined, closely spaced contours, the elevation of the ground at the cursor position will be seen as the third value. Place the cursor somewhere without contours and the third value will appear as unknown. Similarly, if you have no contour background displayed, the ground elevation will appear as unknown everywhere on the map. Your mission is to set the ground level for the 3 new nodes you have added to the model. Their labels are XC1, XC2, XC3. How should you enter these node elevation values? There are 2 alternatives. You could edit each node and enter the values manually, or you could let the software calculate the values from the underlying contours. We are going to let the software do it for us. How? Click the Tools menu at the top of the screen and select Set Elevation from Contours. Reading the warning message, I'm happy with that and will respond yes. That should be it. All done. So let's check. Going to node XC1 in edit mode, selecting it with a right click, selecting edit. There is the ground level that has been computed for the node. Doing the same for XC2. Yes, it's got its elevation. Doing the same thing for XC3. And here we have the elevation computed from the underlying contours. Just returning to, for example, XC2, note the estimate button. This is another way of making the software calculate the ground level from the underlying contours for a single node. It is simply recomputed the value from before. As far as our 3 nodes are concerned, the mission is complete.